If you're an engineer with a passion for creating innovative solutions, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into the 20 exciting manufacturing businesses ideas that can leverage your engineering skills to their fullest potential. Number 1. 3D printing services. Offer custom 3D printing services for prototypes, small production runs, and unique products. Number 2. Renewable energy products. Like manufacturing solar panels, wind turbines, or components for renewable energy systems. Number 3. Automation equipment. Designing and producing automation machinery and robotics for various industries. Number 4. Medical devices. Developing and manufacturing medical equipment and devices such as prosthetics or diagnostic tools. Number 5. Smart home products. Create smart home devices, including lighting, security systems, and home automation gadgets. Number 6. Electric vehicle components. Manufacturing parts and components for electric vehicles, including batteries and charging stations. Number 7. Plastic recycling. Setting up a facility to recycle plastic waste into usable products. Number 8. Custom machinery. Build specialized machinery for niche industries. Number 9. Agricultural equipment. Produce innovative farming equipment to increase productivity. Number 10. Biodegradable packaging. Manufacturing eco-friendly packaging solutions. Number 11. Construction materials. Creating sustainable and innovative construction materials such as insulated panels or prefabricated building components. Number 12. Wearable technology. Developing and manufacturing wearable tech gadgets like fitness trackers and smartwatches. Number 13. Water purification systems. Create systems for purifying water for residential, commercial, and industrial use. Number 14. Electronic components. Producing essential electronic parts like circuit boards, sensors, and microchips. Number 15. Fitness equipment. Designing and manufacturing innovative fitness and exercise equipment. Number 16. Drone manufacturing. Develop drones for various applications including agriculture, surveillance, and delivery services. Number 17. Furniture manufacturing. Create ergonomic and smart furniture solutions for homes and offices. Number 18. Renewable energy storage solutions. Producing batteries and other storage solutions for renewable energy. Number 19. Precision machining. Offer precision machining services for industries requiring high accuracy components. And number 20. Food processing equipment. Manufacturing machinery for the food processing industry, including packaging and processing equipment. Remember, the key to success is not just the idea, but in the execution, dedication, and continuous innovation. If any of these ideas resonated with you, don't hesitate to take your next step and start planning your business today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow engineers, and subscribe to our channel for more business tips and ideas.